Welcome to AP Business with personal finance in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, let's get into it. Welcome to this brand new AP course, at least for those watching in the 2026-2027 school year. We have a pretty easy topic to start us off, so let's talk about first off, what is a business? A business is an organization or entity that produces and/or distributes products in order to serve customers. The products they distribute and/or produce are either goods or services, or simply just both. A good is a product that is owned or transferred to a customer, while a service is a product that involves work, labor, expertise, or assistance performed for a customer. Businesses tend to vary in size. For example, if I just go somewhere random in the city of Baltimore, here I see a big Walmart supercenter. I would call this a pretty big business. If I go somewhere else, this looks like a nice local coffee shop. I'd call this a smaller business. Also, a business does not have to be in person. The world has expanded so much in the past decades that businesses are online now, and employees might work from home all over the globe. A customer is an individual or business that purchases a good or service. A consumer is the individual who actually uses the good or service, whether or not they are the one who purchased it. One of the biggest goals of a business is to identify a market opportunity. This means you appropriately calibrate your business to target a problem, which is something that needs solving, a need, which is something essential, and/or a want, which is something desired. When a product successfully addresses a customer's problem, need, or want, it achieves problem-solution fit, meaning the solution effectively matches the market opportunity. And because no business can ever truly satisfy every possible customer, businesses must choose which customers to focus on and which needs or wants they will prioritize. And another thing deeply tied to this is value. This means the worth or benefit a customer receives from a product. Value creation occurs when a business provides a product that successfully responds to customer problems, needs, or wants. On the other hand, businesses need a way to profit themselves. That's where value capture occurs. This is when a business changes a price for a product that is greater than the cost required to produce it. That makes it so businesses can make an overall profit. And that is all for this topic. On the screen now are AP style questions for this topic. Pause now. I'll put the answers on the screen now. I will see you in the next one.